Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hello Kitty chicken noodle soup. First, gather your main ingredients: about 6 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, and 8 ounces of egg noodles. You'll also need 1 cup of diced carrots, 1/2 cup of diced celery, and 1/2 cup of frozen peas. Don't forget red food coloring and a Hello Kitty cookie cutter for the special touch. Now let's get cooking. Pour your chicken broth into a large pot and bring it to a gentle simmer. Add the diced carrots and celery, letting them cook for about 10 minutes until slightly tender. Next, stir in the cooked, shredded chicken and the egg noodles. Continue to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the noodles are perfectly tender. Finally, add the frozen peas for the last 2 minutes. Here's where the Hello Kitty magic happens. Cook a small handful of extra egg noodles separately. Take a tiny portion of these cooked noodles and mix them with a drop of red food coloring to create Hello Kitty's iconic bow. For her face, you can press a thin slice of cream cheese with your Hello Kitty cookie cutter, or use the cutter on a slice of hard-boiled egg white for a firmer shape. Finally, it's time to assemble your delightful soup. Ladle the warm chicken noodle soup into individual serving bowls. Gently place your Hello Kitty face, whether it's cream cheese or egg, right on top of the soup. Then, carefully position the small red noodle bow near one of her ears. Your adorable and delicious Hello Kitty chicken noodle soup is now ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.